Imagine walking into a room with 20 self-made millionaires. Different ages, different industries, different personalities. One built a real estate empire. Another runs an e-commerce brand. One started a small software company in his garage. But after studying their lives, routines, and decisions, I discovered something strange. It wasn't their intelligence, it wasn't their education, and it definitely wasn't luck. In fact, most of them broke almost every traditional rule about money, yet they all shared one powerful pattern, a behavior so consistent that once you see it, you start noticing it everywhere. And here's the crazy part. If you start applying this pattern today, you can begin moving from $0 to $100K to $1 million much faster than most people. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 hidden behaviors I found after studying 20 millionaires. And the third one is the reason most people stay stuck financially for their entire lives. Let's start with the first pattern.
Before we go further, let me explain how I discovered this pattern. Over the past few years, I became obsessed with one question. Why do some people build massive wealth while others work hard for decades and never escape the paycheck cycle? So I started studying entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners, not just online, but through interviews, books, podcasts, and case studies. People like investors, founders, business operators, real estate builders. And something surprising kept appearing. It didn't matter whether someone built a tech company or a construction business. The wealthy didn't just work harder, they thought differently about opportunity. While most people were looking for comfort and stability, millionaires were constantly searching for something else: leverage. And that leads us to the first behavior.
The first thing every millionaire did was use leverage. Leverage means getting results that are bigger than your personal effort. Most people make money like this. Time equals money. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. But millionaires play a different game. They build systems where effort equals multiplied results. For example, a business owner hires employees. One person working alone might produce $100 of value, but a team of 20 people might produce $20,000 of value. That's leverage. Investors do the same thing. They let money work for them. Writers publish books once, but get paid for years. Software founders build products that sell while they sleep. Millionaires constantly ask one question: how can I multiply my effort? Most people ask a completely different question: how can I get paid more per hour? And that difference changes everything. But leverage alone isn't enough, because there's another behavior every millionaire shared, and it might be the most uncomfortable one of all. The second pattern I discovered was this: millionaires don't avoid risk, they manage it. Most people are trained from childhood to play life safely, go to school, get a stable job, avoid mistakes. But here's the problem: the safest path financially often leads to the smallest results. Every millionaire I studied made decisions that looked risky to outsiders: starting a business, buying property, investing in markets, leaving stable careers. But here's what makes them different: they don't gamble blindly. Instead, they do 3 things. They study the downside, they prepare backup plans, and they take calculated risks repeatedly. To them, risk isn't danger. Risk is opportunity wearing a disguise. But what shocked me the most was the third behavior, because it explains why most people never build wealth.
The third behavior completely changed how I think about money. Millionaires think in decades. Most people think in weeks, or maybe months. They ask questions like, what can I buy this year? But millionaires ask a different question: what will this decision look like in 10 years? For example, investing $500 today may feel small, but over decades, it compounds dramatically. Starting a business today might feel slow, but in 10 years, it can become an empire. This long-term thinking changes how they act daily. They read more, They invest earlier. They ignore short-term noise. And while others chase quick wins, they quietly build massive momentum. But there's another habit that fuels this long-term mindset, and almost every millionaire had it.
Here's something most people misunderstand about millionaires. They don't obsess over money, they obsess over time. Because time is the only resource that cannot be replaced. When studying wealthy entrepreneurs, I noticed something strange. They say no a lot. No to distractions, no to unimportant meetings, no to activities that don't move them forward. Instead, they focus on a small number of things that create the biggest results. One business, one investment strategy, one major opportunity. This is called focus leverage. And the more successful someone became, the more protective they became about their time. But there's one final behavior that ties everything together, and this one may surprise you.
The fifth behavior is what ultimately separates the wealthy from everyone else. Millionaires build systems. Most people rely on motivation. They work when they feel inspired. But systems remove the need for motivation. For example, automatic investing every month, business processes that run without constant supervision, daily routines that reinforce productive habits. Once these systems are in place, progress becomes inevitable. It's like pushing a giant wheel. At first, it barely moves, but with consistent effort, momentum takes over, and suddenly, everything becomes easier. But there's one final insight I discovered while studying these millionaires, and it completely reframed how wealth actually works.
After studying all 20 millionaires, I realized something powerful. None of them became wealthy overnight. In fact, many struggled for years. What separated them wasn't talent. It was consistency applied to the right behaviors: leverage, risk management, long-term thinking, protecting time, building systems. Individually, these ideas seem simple, but combined, they create a powerful engine for wealth. And once that engine starts running, it becomes extremely difficult to stop. But there's one mistake that prevents most people from ever reaching this point.
The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long to start. They wait for the perfect idea, the perfect timing, the perfect opportunity. But the millionaires I studied didn't wait. They started small, a small investment, a small business, a small side project, because momentum always starts tiny. But over time, tiny actions create massive outcomes. And the earlier you start, the more powerful that momentum becomes.
But here's something even more interesting. While studying these millionaires, I discovered another pattern that's even more powerful. A specific way they think about money and opportunities. And once you understand it, you will start spotting opportunities that most people completely miss. In the next video, I'll break down the 7 stages people go through on the path to financial freedom. And stage 4 is where 90% of people get stuck forever. So make sure you're subscribed, because once you see that stage, you'll never look at money the same way again.